What's going on, people? This your boy Logic, and we back for another episode of Logitech Reviews. Today we're gonna be going over the newly released the Mac OS Mojave update. They got a lot of good updates. They got the continuity camera. They got the quick look option. They got the new light and dark accent that they got going on. They got the dynamic desktop, which I really like. That's really cool. Also, they got improvement, or they got additions now what we know we had in our iPhones. Now they got it within the Mac. And then now it gives you the ability to utilize your Apple Home Kit with all your different Apple products to utilize that. And also they got a new improved App Store. We're going to go over these things in detail. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And I hope you enjoy it. It's your boy Logic. Let's get to it, people. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start with one of my favorite features of the new update, and it's called the continuity camera. As you can see in the middle, I got an email that I'm going to insert a picture in from my phone, and that's what I'm doing now. And to my left, I got a note that I'm going to insert a picture in, and also to the right, I'm just streaming my phone so you can see everything I did. So all I did is went on ahead and click send a picture from my phone, and then you see it automatically went to my phone, and it's just simply a picture of my Stream Deck. So now once I go ahead and I actually take the photo, it will go ahead and give me the option to use that photo. Once I click use that photo, it will insert a picture of my Stream Deck into the email. And I think this is a useful tool. I think I'm going to use this a lot with a lot of different projects I'm doing, and I'm going to show you the exact same thing of how to do it in Note. In Notes, it's the exact same process. You'll just go and you'll insert a photo from phone, and then I'm sending it from my iPhone 10, same thing, and I'm taking a picture here of my Logitech MX vertical mouse. Once I took the photo, go ahead and hit use photo, and it will insert the photo that I took from my phone into my Notes. So this is a really useful tool. All right. After this, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to go ahead and scan a document. I'm going to go ahead and make another note. And then all I'm going to do now is I still hit the right click. And instead of sending a photo, I'm going to go ahead and scan a document. The only difference is when you scan a document, you see I'm scanning a book. It'll actually go ahead, and once it get the document in frame, it will go ahead and automatically take it. So all you got to do is just go ahead and hit save. It'll insert in your notes. All right, the next feature I'm going to go over is the actual light and dark mode, and also the accent color. This is something that we've been waiting on a lot for Mac, and as you can see, you can change the accent colors. They got all kind of different colors. They got the purple, they got the yellow, they got the green. I don't know why anybody use green, but you can also change the highlight. I'm not going to even do it, but at a click of a button, you see you can go ahead and you can change it from light and dark mode. Okay, so now you can see we got the home kit now actually inside the Mac. This is a powerful tool for me because I use a lot of the Mac products. As you can see, I got a lot of Apple lights in my studio, in my fish tanks. I have a lot of Apple TVs, and I got the actual the Apple HomePod. So now this is useful for me because if my kids is upstairs watching TV and it's bedtime and I'm doing some work, I can actually go ahead and I can turn it off. I can cut it on. I can go ahead and do a lot of different things that before I was not able to do. And I'm going to go over some brief details in the sense of how you do it. And it's pretty much you can control it just like you did from your phone. You can adjust the brightness. You can go ahead and change the colors to any of your lights. And then to me, this just add another powerful tool, not only from my phone, but I can also do it from my computer, which is really good for me. Also, in a sense, you can rename everything. You can go ahead and you can set up different scenes, whether it's your rooms, whatever you want to do. This is a powerful tool that they added within this new update. Also with me, I want my lights to come on when I come home. So as you see, I got mine set up when I arrive home and when I leave home. Soon as my iPhone leave the vicinity of my house, it will automatically turn off my lights, and it's powerful for me. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick overview of the App Store. As you can see, the new App Store, it's a redesigned App Store. It looks really nice compared to the last release that we had, we was dealing with the App Store. So, you know what I'm saying, just the same user that we always have. You know what I'm saying, you go to the Discover, everything is in there. You can go to the Create, it'll give you creative apps that you can utilize. You know what I'm saying, you can go to the Work, it gives you decent things that you can find to help your workflow to play. You know what I'm saying, you can click on it, you can get these previews and everything you want right within there. No additional clicking, everything is actually within the App Store now. It's real useful to me because I can do a lot of stuff now within this App Store, and I can check out a lot of different games that I want. My kids want to order for the PC, and it's really good. Also, they got, you can actually see here, and within there you can go ahead and see actual gameplay and quick videos of the actual gameplay. It's a useful and a different way of Apple actually doing things. This is really creative. I really like it. Also, they got developed. So now if you developer, you got any type of development tools that you want to do, they got it. The same old categories. And then the updates, everything is right before your hands at a touch of a button. It's really nice. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the dynamic desktop. So now if you see the dynamic desktop, you got two different options, and you see one option in the back where we got the little Mojave Desert scene, and then we're going to go in and we're going to actually try to go ahead and show you how this works. So now in order for me to do this, I got to unlock my system, whatever, and I got to go ahead and take the clock and change the time. So as I get in here and I start changing the time, you will actually see that it will affect the background in the new dynamic desktop. So I'm going over, I'm changing the time zone. So now as soon as I rotate the clock back, you will see it will be based upon how it actually looked outside. So now you see I'm changing time, it turned light, and then I'm gonna go ahead and change the time again, and it actually gonna turn back dark. This is a new thing, and then they do it. It's called the dynamic desktop. It's fairly easy. All you got to do to go to system preference and go in and go to your regular screensaver mode, and you'll be good. You don't have to do all this that I'm doing. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes only. So the last feature we're going to take a look at is what's called Quick Look. So now when you're doing Quick Look, all you got to do to activate Quick Look is actually click the file and hit the space bar. And then you got a whole bunch of different features. You see I just simply try to draw somewhat similar star. It's going to take it and actually make it into a star. So it's something that's new with Mac, and I'm really liking it. Also, you see I can go ahead and add my signature and anything, and this can be any type of PDF documents you can do. You can sign things. It's useful. I like it. I'm really liking where Mac going with these new projects they got going on. And then you see you can simply just rotate different photos. Anything you want to do, you can add some text to it. I'm not sure if this was in the older updates, but I like it. I'm just adding the text, hello, how everybody doing today? And then go in the same way. You can go into preference. You can go ahead and change the font. You can do different things. I really like the Quick Look, and it's simple. All you got to do, instead of actually clicking on the files to open it to see if that's the exact file you want, all you have to do is click on the file and then hit the space bar, and it will blow it out, and it will allow you to do a lot of different adjustments to it. All you got to do is hit the close it out, and it give you the option to actually save it as, or actually save it in place. This is pretty good. Big ups to Apple for this update. Okay, people, that was it. This'll be part one. I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time on LoGic Reviews. I'm out here. Peace.